A very good morning to all. I am Abhishek Tayal from Shamli, and now I am pursuing my BTech CSC Data Science from ABES Institute of Technology Ghaziabad. And I am very thankful today I got an opportunity to express my views on the topic of cloud computing. Today I am going to explain cloud computing through my PowerPoint presentation. Now let's see the content first. I am going to explain its introduction, why cloud computing, advantages of cloud computing, disadvantages of cloud computing, types of clouds, and cloud computing services. Now the first question that arise in everybody's mind that what is cloud computing? Now let's see what it is. Cloud computing can be defined as delivering computing power like CPU, RAM, database, network speeds, storage OS software, a service over a network, usually on the internet, rather than physically having the computing resources at the customer location. As we know, in other words, we can say that cloud computing is asked and used to access data, store a data, and a backup data. Now let's discuss why cloud computing. With increase in computer and mobile users, data storage has become a priority in all fields. Large and small scale businessmen today thrive on their data and they spend a huge amount of money to maintain this data. It requires a strong IT support and a strong hub. Not all businesses can afford high cost of in-house IT infrastructure and backup support services. Now let's see the benefits of cloud computing. It have good backup and recovery, and it has good performance and scalability, and it has increased storage capacity as well as increased data safety. It has improved performance, and it has a fewer maintenance issues, and it has a great benefit and many more also. Now it has some advantages also. Now one of the main advantages of cloud computing it secures the data and it has higher data security and it backups our data whenever we want and restore our data. And it has environment friendly also, document control and stream workflow, and it has very rapid development, infinite, and there is a one main advantage is also that it infinites the storage. It storage is infinite, and it has more flexible and cost proficient. Now cloud computing has some disadvantages also. Now let's see what they are. As I have discussed earlier, that we need a good internet connectivity. If you don't have a good internet connectivity, then we will face an issue and it would not work. So good connectivity should be mandatory. And it has some more disadvantages like lower bandwidth, effect of speed, security issues, agreements, and variation in costs. Now let's see the types of cloud. There are basically four types of cloud, that is private, community, hybrid, and public cloud. Now let them discuss one by one. First, public cloud. Public clouds provides a shared platform that accessible to generate general public through an internet connection. Like a bigger companies, IT companies like Amazon, IBM, and Google, they all are using public cloud. And now come the second one, that is private cloud. Private cloud is also known as the internal cloud or as a cooperative cloud, and it has a very good security system. Now let's third, hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is nothing. It is a combination of public and private cloud. It has a combination of public and private cloud. Now let's them last, that is community cloud. Community cloud is a cloud infrastructure that allows systems and services. Now cloud computing provides some services like IaaS, infrastructure as a service, SaaS, software as a service, PaaS, platform as a service. Now let's conclude the session. Cloud computing is the fastest growing part of IT sector. Tremendous benefits to customer of all sizes like simple users, developers, enterprises, and all types of organizations. Cloud services are simpler to acquire and scale up or down. Okay, thank you everyone for listening to me so attentively and encouraging me. Thank you.